You are welcome back to the training. So now we are going to continue with the training. The next thing we are going to do now is to install our theme. So now a theme in website is like the structure of a building. Like every house have its own layout, the way it is being structured. Two bedroom flats doesn't look alike. Some will have kitchen by the left, the other one will have kitchen by the right, but they are all 2 bedroom flats. So it is to theme. So every website has its own theme, and the programmer have structured it in a different way so that it look different from each other. So any website you want to do, you need to go and get your theme so that you install your theme, and it is that theme that you have installed that you can now customize it with the information that you want it to be on your website. So how do we install our theme? Now for you to install your theme, just once you log in, just click appearance and then say themes. So these are themes that actually came along with it. This is the one that is active now on it. So but let's go and see our website on the front end. So for you to see it, just come to this place and say visit. I'll just open this visit site. I'll open it on a new tab. So this is our website. This is the website. Once they click on your link, the link of your website, this is what they will see. So but we are going to design it so that it will now look beautiful. That this is not what they will see again. It will now become something that is looking beautiful. So now for us to install our theme, just once you click here, go to add theme, click add theme. So if you are connected on the internet, remember your local host, you can actually do it offline, but if you have not installed theme, you need to be online, except you have you have already downloaded the theme to your system. That is when you can now say you can upload it. But if you have not and you want to use the themes that come along with WordPress, you must be on internet. Maybe after you've installed the theme and then the plugins you need, you can now say okay, you go off and you can continue designing your website. So we have different themes here that comes along with our WordPress. So can you see? These are different themes that come along with our WordPress. Look at them. Can you see? So depending on the kind of website you are designing, so it will determine the theme that you choose. Your website will determine the theme you choose. So if, for instance, I am designing something like portfolio, or I just want something like personal websites, depending on what, so I want to maybe choose this theme, this nav. So but I can preview it to see how it looks. So let me click on preview. Okay, can you see? This is how the website looks. This is how the website looks. Can you see? This is how the website looks. that is on the you can click here to see the menu. So if you go to about, this is how the about look. This is how the about look. And you see, so if I am okay with this theme, I'll just click install. So once it installed, you now click activate. The theme has been activated now. So let's go and check our website again. Look at this place. So we are going to refresh it to see how it looks now. Let's refresh. Okay, so because we've installed a new theme, the structure have changed a bit. So now for us to go to edit this site, we want to install some plugins. So and one of the plugin is called Elementor. So we are going to install our plugin now. Let's look at plugins here. So we'll click on add plugin. You click on add plugin, then you come to this search plugin. I will type Elementor. Just type it. It's going to search it. So this is, can you see, Elementor website builder. You click install now. So let's wait for it to install. Let it install. It's still installing, so let's just wait for it to install. Okay, it has installed. Now the next thing is click activate. So it has been activated. It has been activated. So now let's I just click on this back to just go back to my home page. So we have our Elementor page builder has been activated. Now the next thing we want to now do is to now let's check our website again. Let me refresh it. Okay, I'll go back to my dashboard. So the next thing we want to do now is to create our pages. If you check this place, okay, if you check the front end here, you see that we have sample page on this menu. So we don't want to see this sample page, but all the pages that we are going to create now. So, and we want home page, about us, contact us, blog, maybe portfolio and others. So we want to create those pages now. For us to do that, we go back to our dashboard and then see page. I will now say add page. Then I say next, get started. So this place, I want it to be home. Then I'll come to publish and then publish again. So I've done that. Then I want another page. I'll say add page here. Here will be about. Then I click publish again. Okay, then I'll click add page again. Then now contact. I'll click publish again. Then I'll click add page again. Maybe I want something like a portfolio. I'll say portfolio. I'll click publish again. Okay, so I've created some pages. Now I want to go back to, I'll click on this. Okay, now these are the pages I've created. Can you see? About, contact, home, portfolio. Can you see contacts? You understand? Home. So home, about, contact, portfolio. Those are it. We have created 4 pages. So I want these 4 pages to be the thing that will be showing here. So that is what will be showing here. So that is what I will be doing now. For me to do that, I'll come to my appearance, then I'll click on menu. I'll click on menu. Then under this menu structure, menu name, I'll just type main menu. I just want it to carry main menu. Then I say I want it to display at primary menu. I'll click on this primary menu. Then I say create menu. So create menu now. Okay, so I've created my menu. So all the pages are now showing here. So I want those pages that will be on my menu to be here. So I'll just add them now. I'll say home, about, contact, and portfolio. I'll tick them and then I say add to menu. So they are now showing by this side. Now look at them in this place. So I want the first one to be home. I'll come here, I'll come to the edge. Once it shows this 4 arrow, I'll carry it and then move it up and put it up. The next one I want to be about, I'll carry it and put it here. Then the third one should be contact. I'll put it here. So if I want something to be inside home, like a sub menu, I'll just carry this one and drag it to the front. I'll carry this one, carry it to the front. So that means it's only these two that will be showing. These two that will be showing. It's only when you click on home that you see this other two. But I want all of them to be showing, so I'll make them to be on the same line. So I'll still move this one back. Go back now. What is the problem? So then once I have done that, I now say save menu. So if I refresh here now, I will not see this sample page again. I will just be seeing those 4 pages I've created. Now look at it. Can you see now? So these are the 4 pages I have just created. So now we want to design our website. Now each of the pages we want to design it. So now let's check something. Okay, before that, let me check something. Let me check something. Okay, now we want to design each of the pages now, and we want to start with our home page. So I'll just right click on this home page and open in a new tab and open this on a new tab. Now let's see edit page. Let's see if they will allow. So then I'll say edit with Elementor. I want to edit it with Elementor. So let me just keep all this. So this is where we are going to now design the website the way we want it to be. So this plus here, I want to add some layout. I'll click on this, my plus. I want to use this. I'll just click on this one. Then I'll click on this first one. So I have this one here. Then I'll click on this plus. Once I click on this plus, it will bring out all this for me. So I want to have like, so all these are the things I can add up here. I can add all this, but many things are locked. Many things are locked because we are using the free version of Elementor. I will show you how you can download the pro version. So before we even use this, let me show you. Okay, let's add some things here first. So I want to use this image. I want an image to be here first. Or is it an image that I will put there? Let me see if we have a slider. If we have a slider that can be here. Oh, the slider is okay. Look at slides. I wanted us to put slide, but it's locked. So because of that, I will show you how you can download the pro version. So let me open a new tab. Now just say Elementor, type on Google, type Elementor Pro free download. So can you see? Let's go to this one, Elementor. If you go to the original website, they will still give you the other one. So let's check this one, this free download Elementor Pro version 3 plugin. So let's click on this. Then let me scroll down. Then I say I'll click on this. Then I'll click on this. So with this one, once we are able to install this plugin, we can now be able to use all the features. Continue to download now. Okay, so we click on that again. Now I will scroll down a bit. So I want to use Mediafire. I'll click on this. Look at the file. I'll just say download. So the file has started downloading. So look at our Elementor has been downloaded. Now I'll click on, look at it here. So I will extract it. I'll say extract here. So look at the Elementor. It has been extracted. So let's go and upload it and see if it will work. let's go and upload this particular Elementor. It's actually supposed to be in a zip file. This one that we extract, we are going to upload this first and see if it works. If it doesn't work, we'll zip this. So let's go back to our dashboard. Now we'll go to plugins and say add plugin. We say add plugin, then we'll now say upload, and then we'll say choose file. Now this one now cannot enter because it's not a zip file. So but let's try this. If it works, or if it doesn't work, we'll zip the other one. Then let's install this and see if it will work. Let's wait for it and see. Okay, it was installed. Then we now say activate plugin. So if you actually downloaded this particular one, you don't need to extract. The one you download will work for you. So now we have installed it. You see now that it's no longer showing. Before it would say GoPro, but now it's no longer showing it. So let's go to this editing where we are editing before. Let's refresh and see now. Let's refresh. I say reload. All this thing that was showing that padlock should not be there any longer. This padlock icon that was showing. So now let me scroll so that we'll see whether they are still. Can you see those pro? Can you see all those things that were locked? They are now unlocked. Can you see now all those things that we could not use before? Now we can use them. Okay, so I'll come here. I've already added this before. Now I want to add a slider, this thing to it. So no, I don't want. I'll remove this. This is not what I want to add. Now I want to add a slider, so I'll scroll. Okay, let me close this one here. So this is a slider that I want to add. So now we have this slider has 3 columns: slider 1, slider 2, slider 3. Can you see? So if I want, I can customize all this now. Before, okay, if I want to add a new slide, I'll just a new column. I'll just say add item. Can you see now? We now have slider heading. You understand? So slide heading. So we now have 4 slides now, but I want to remove it. I'll remove this one. Now this for content. This is a style. This is a style where you can edit how you want it to look on the site. You look at your padding, the width. You want it to cover the whole screen, the alignment, Can you see here is center align? That is, if I say left align, can you see the text have gone to the left? If I say center, the text have gone to the center. If I say right, the text have gone to the right. So I want it to be at the center. I want them to be at the center. So you can do a lot of things with it here. So now let's go back to our content. Now with under the slider option, you can see, look at arrow and dots. This arrow, that is where you see. If I say, so I want it to have arrow and dot, then auto play. So that is why it's here. That's why the thing can be moving by itself. Pause on hover. Once you hover on it, that is, you just bring your cursor on top of it. It will pause. Then pause on interaction. So loop, that means you continue. It will continue to slide continuously. That is why the loop is yes there. So then you see content animation is moving up. That is why they choose up. So if you say it should move right, if you choose right, can you see? So that is how it will be moving. Now you want to, let's publish. Let's click on publish first. Let's click on publish. Now we have published this. So let me go up. I'll go back to my slide. This is my first slide, so I just click on slide 1 heading. So I want to work on slide 1. So now the background, I want to put an image. I want to put an image as my background. So I'll just come here and then say select file. I don't think I have any image on my system. So but let me just go on Google and then search for, I just say and you can download free images from this website, Pixels. Whether Pixels, Pixabay, so they are websites that you can actually download free images, and they are all very, very sharp quality images. So let's wait for it to load. So while it's loading, I can still just search again. Let me just say beautiful background image for ICT website, ICT site. So I'll just click on images. I have some beautiful background images. So many of these images are not free. Many of these images are not free. That's why we usually go to site that is actually free. So let's go to this one and see. So this free pick, I can say visit site. So free pick is also free. You can also download it for free. So let me download this. So download this. So free pick is, some are free and some are paid. So anyone you see the crown is a paid one. It's actually paid. So now this one, anyone that you see that I showed me that I should do this thing. So those ones are actually paid. They are actually paid. So, but if I sign up, they may allow me to take it. So let me sign up and see if they will allow me to download it. So, but okay, let's see if my signing up will give me permission to download some of the ones I want. Okay, so we have downloaded many background. Okay, this site is actually very slow today. Okay, so now we come back. Okay, yeah. Okay, we wanted to upload our image, so we go to this place. The background that we downloaded were in zip file. Okay, so if they are in zip file, what I show you that time, so maybe this one, just extract here, just extract it, extract here, yes to all. So let's still try it again. So let's just take this one and then we'll open it. Let's say select. So you see the one we just added now. So this is the background image. This is the background image. Now then the background overlay, if I say this overlay, that means you want something to cover it. Now look at, if I say no, all the color of this thing, the whole background is showing. But if I say overlay, that means I want something to cover it to an extent so it will not be too bright. Can you see? So that the text will be very bright. If I off it now, can you see all those lights? It's too shiny. So I'll just put this overlay so that it will cover it to a point. Now you can come here and maybe make it dim. So I just want it like that. Now I'll go up. That is for the background. Then I'll go to the content now. Here I'll go to the content. So that place that is showing heading 1, I'll just say welcome to DreamClick solution. I'll just say welcome to DreamClick solutions. So then this description, I'll click inside here and remove it and then put my own. Then I can just put something to describe. I can professional ICT consultants, ICT training and consulting firm, training and consultancy firm. So now we have done this. We can, so this button now, let's check. Let's check it now. This button that is showing click here, so I can remove it. I'll just remove it. I can just say explore. I want it to have explore. So explore is what is there. Then link. So if you click on this explore, where will it take you to? I want it to take, so you put the link of where you want it to take you to. So if I want it to take us to maybe the home page, let's check. I want maybe about page. Let me open about on a new page. See, so I'll click on this link like this. I'll copy it. Once you click on that explore, it will take us to the about page. So I'll click here and paste it. I'll paste it here. Then I'll click here and then I say open in a new window. I'll click this place so that once you click on it, it will open that page on a new window. So let me publish. So I've been able to do that of the first column, first slide. I've done first slide. So now let's go and see if the one for the second slide. Kilo share. Okay. Now, so this slide 1. I'll click on slide 2. Now I'll add image again. So this image I want to use now, I want to maybe use, let me just go and use download another image. Let me just use beautiful Nigerian woman image. So let me just use Nigerian woman image for ICT site. So let me search for this. Okay, so I just want to just have something. So let me visit this and see if I can get it. Okay, look at the person here. Save image as NIG woman. Then I save it. So let's go and add that as our save image. Now I'll come here, then I say upload files, select files, open. This image will it show? Let's see if it will show. The image is a web file. So but let me see if we can still get it. Let me save image as if. Okay, it can be saved as PNG. So I'll save. So now I can, let's upload it again. So look at the image here now, and click, say open. So look at the picture. I say select. So I now have it. The image is now here. So background color, I don't want this. I can just say I want something dark. something that okay. Then size, I'll put auto. I'll put the size to be auto. Then background overlay. So if I don't want the overlay, I will still remove it. But I want the overlay to still be here so that it will make the text to actually be visible, very clear. So the same thing I did that one in the first one, that is the same thing I'm still doing. I will still do. Okay. So the next thing after I've worked on the background is to come to the content. The content. So the heading. I can just say yes ICT trainers. ICT trainers in Abuja. So then I'll come to this place. Learn any ICT skill with ease at your convenience. At your convenience. So then the button text again. I'll just say learn more. This one I want it to be learn more. Learn more. Then if I've added something like this, I can just maybe on my page, if I have courses for instance on my page, I will just put the link to the courses here. But since I don't have, I'll just paste that about, so it will still take to about page. And let's publish. So now let's open our website and see how it looks. Let's go to our website and see how it looks. Okay, that is on home. Since we have not made it to be our front page, that's why here is still showing. So if I click on home now, can you see this is what we show? This is what we show. So this is the only thing we have created yet. Can you see it's sliding by itself? We have not edited this one. So we want to make this home now to be our front page, this particular home page to be, so that once they just click on the site, it would carry them to this page direct. So let's go back. So for us to do that, we'll go to our appearance Go to appearance. We now go to customize. We go to customize. We go to customize. Let's check home page setting. Can you see home page setting? Click on home page setting. Then you say a static page. Click on a static page. Then under home page, click here and select home. Then post. So we are going to create another page and maybe call it blog or any news, anything that you want to be posting things, so you use that page. But for now we don't have such page, so we just leave this one until we create a page. Now we will now do this thing. So once I'm okay, I'll say publish. I'll say publish. So I've published that. Now let's go and check our let's visit our website again and see. Let's visit the website. Now immediately, can you see, the moment you click on it, it will bring you straight to this page, because we have made a page to be our home page. So that is how you do it. Now let's continue editing our home page. Now we want to add some things down, so let's go back to this place now. Okay, so we'll come to this place and say add. Now I'll click on this. I'll have a single. I'll click on this plus. I want to have a text, a heading. I'll just carry this and put here. So this heading, I want to remove the text from here. I'll not say home of. I'll just say let me just go and see sample of some website. Let me see sample of some website. Let me say Webbit. So let me see some sample website. Okay, so now this website, they actually import demo content which we can actually do, and we are going to do it. I'm showing you how you can design a website from scratch. You understand? So I'm showing you how you can design a website from scratch. So but we may not make our own like this for now. So but what we just do, let's go and do something similar but not the same. Now this heading, now I now say home of ICT, or I can just say services, our services, our 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 services. So this our services. I've written our services. Now I want it, I'll go to style. I want it to be center aligned. Then the text color, I will come here and I want it to be black. Let me think. I want it to be black. So here's about now the advanced. I don't need advanced for now. So okay, I have that. So this is what will be here. Then I want these services. I want to now add some columns under it where I will write the services we render and this description. So I will come here. So I want to put training, consulting, business development. So let's let me see. Okay, let me choose this 4. I use this 4. So I'll choose this first one. I'll look for text editor. Text editor. I can now say training. Let me just put training. Okay, I can say we are a professional ICT trainers in Nigeria. So now I want the heading, that is the training, I want to highlight it and make it bold. Then I want it to be center aligned. Let me see if it will give me that. kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Okay, it will not give me the feature I'm looking for. Okay, but let me see the code. Look at the visual. If you want to see the code, just come to this place. Let me see. Align. Test align. Test align. Okay, let me just leave it that way. Okay. But I want this training should be on top, then others will be down. So I'll still go to the code, but yours you must not do it like this. I'm just showing you. I will show you how you can actually design website with a template, but I'm just showing you how you can actually still manipulate and do some things by yourself. So this one, I want to break the page. I'll just open it and then say BR I cover. So let me publish and see. Apart from that, okay, let me see. So actually what I use here is not supposed to be text editor. It's not supposed to be text editor, but let's just use this. So you can use this to actually add your tests to all the place here. You also add your own. Let me just copy what is. Let's go back to visual. Okay, can you see? So now let me go back. Yes, so but here is not bold again. Let's make it bold again. Bold. Now let me publish still. I come to this second one now. I'll still use my text editor. I'll put my text editor. I say consult. Okay, consulting. Then I not say we consult on all IC related related matters. So I can still make this one to bold. So this is just example, but we can make it more beautiful than this. So, but I just want to show you how you can actually use this thing. And the third one, I click on this and still I want text. So then I say business development. Business development. We are a professional business developer. So we now say bold. Then the last one here, so let's editor. So we edit it here. Let me just publish. So if we go and open our page now and refresh it, we're going to see that other things are added. So let's scroll now. Can you see? Can you see? So the website is coming up. So that is how you build your website normally. So, but there is another easier way where you just have to import the demo content and then you begin to remove the picture that come along with it, and then put your own picture, remove the text and put your own text. So we are also going to try that. So see you in the next video. Thank you.